Importance of communication and facilitation while conducting elicitation. Successful completion of this module will enable participants to understand the role of communication and facilitation while conducting elicitation. Conducting elicitation, the task is to meet with the stakeholders and elicit the information regarding their needs. The goal is to obtain elicitation results which may be documented and used for the elicitation and capture the information provided during the meeting. Role of facilitation while conducting elicitation. The task is the process that a business analysis goes through in order to bring about an outcome by providing supervision when change is required. The goal is to determine the ideal solution that meets the needs of the stakeholders from the elicitation engagement. Role of communication while conducting elicitation. The task is the role of the business analysis must draw out or bring forth possible solutions to a problem when change is required. The goal is with good communication skills, they will clarify the message, prevent breakdowns, and resolve conflict. The purpose of elicitation is to meet with the stakeholders to elicit information regarding the needs. The elicitation event takes place, or as elicitation is performed, or elicitation is distributed to the group of stakeholders. Elicitation techniques used to bring forth the requirements and elements of conducting that particular technique. It can take place through brainstorming, document analysis, focus groups, team meetings. Takes place through interface analysis, interviews, observations, and prototypes, requirements workshops. It can also be distributed through surveys or questionnaires. Business analysis are often faced with stakeholders that express superficial and vague statements of what they envision in a possible solution. Effective business analysis recognize the importance of active listening skills, which fully engages them in conversation and allows them to pick up on cues and clues required to ask appropriate questions and provide meaningful answers. Similar to listening, the ability to ask good questions is a skill which may be learned and practiced. Questions and answers give you and your participants an opportunity to clarify information. To summarize, the business analysis will utilize the elicitation techniques, facilitation techniques, and their communication skills, and the skills of subject matter experts or stakeholders to have a clear understanding of the business problems, needs for change, and the ideal solution through utilization of various facilitation techniques discussed. A business analysis will conduct elicitation. A business analysis will need to ensure that they are using proper communication and people management techniques to clearly communicate to the analyzed audience the scope of the elicitation facilitation engagement, the statement of the business problem being solved, the ground rules, objectives, and agendas, and the expectations from facilitation engagement attendees. Use your people skills to build rapport with your audience so that stakeholders are kept involved in the engagement and everyone feels understood and respected and heard.